Here's a train that transports cars. Watch it move as it travels along its rails. And look, this is a railway crossing. It's closed. Hey, little car, be careful. The gate is closed because the train is coming, so you cannot drive over the railway line. This train is very powerful. Watch it climb the hill to cross this bridge. So now we've arrived at the car park. Look at the cars waiting for the train. Each car will travel in its own carriage, one for the red car and one for the blue car. See the train travel through the countryside. It's taking the cars to their regular car checkup at the car hospital. Stop!
Hello and welcome. Every car needs to have a regular technical service. Unloading. Unloading.
Thank you, car train. See you next time. Bye.